Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox not launching problem. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Even I facing this problem guys, and now by this solution I resolved it guys, and now I can play Roblox. So this problem cause of your graphics card driver are not up to date guys. To update your graphics card driver, I show you guys how to do that. Right click on the start icon, select device manager, expand the display adapter section and copy the NVIDIA GeForce GT 710. You just need to note your graphics card driver name guys. After noting it, you just need to open up browser. If you are using NVIDIA or AMD or Intel graphics card, then you need to search for it guys with the graphics card driver name. My driver name is NVIDIA GeForce GT 710. You just need to search for your driver name in the display driver section. You just need to search for the driver, and after typing your driver name, mention your Windows version as well guys. Type driver Windows 11. Mine is Windows 11, that's why I'm searching for it. Search for it, press enter, and you will be getting the official site for download your driver guys. Click on the official site. You will be getting the updated driver over here guys, the release date and operating system for check your Windows will be supported or not. After checking it, click on download now and download it guys. I already download this one guys. Click on file folder, click on downloads, like this one guys. You just need to install it. After installing it, you just need to open it, GeForce Experience. After opening it, you just need to log in your account guys. I just logged in. After logging in, you just need to click on drivers and click on check for updates. If any available update over here, you just need to click on download option and download it guys. This will help you to update your graphics card driver. In this, after finishing this update, you just want to restart your PC guys. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, I just done before uninstall the Roblox and reinstalled it and opened it again, and that's what for me guys. And I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.